Hello, welcome back to my tutorial. My name is Lucky Okpaka. In this video we're going to be writing or designing another cool program. Oh, that will be so sweet. Please stick with me. In this video we were given a question which calculates miles per gallon. It says a car's miles per gallon can be calculated with the following formulas. Alright, mpg, which is equal to miles per gallon divided by gallons of gas used. We are told that we should design a program that asks the user for the number of miles, right? This is miles, for the number of miles driven and the gallons of gas used. It should calculate the car's miles per gallon and display the result on the screen. So let's get started. First of all, obvious, before you use any variables, we need a variables for this, of course. So we're going to design an integer because it's going to use an int, and we'll call it miles driven, and then we terminate that because we'll be storing whatever the person is going to enter, and then the amount of gallon, int gallon used. Okay, the reason why I'm naming it this way is because a variable should be descriptive enough for the kind of information that it will contain. And then we're told that we should ask the user for the mile driven and then calculate the miles and display the result. And then we're going to say int result set. Okay, result, total result. Right, let's just say total result. I don't know why I like using total and everything, but I just like it. So first of all, what we're told is that we should design a program that asks the user for the number of miles driven, so which we are going to do right here. Cout, please enter the number of miles driven. Of course, we are going to install it somewhere end line. We're going to say in, and then please, I will continue to say take note of these errors. The pointing, this one is pointing this side on your left, and this one is pointing on your right when you are storing something on a variable. So please enter the number of miles driven. Where we're going to install it, or where we're going to store some what the person is going to enter if the person enter miles driven. So we're going to store it on the mile driven variable. And then what we're also told that we should allow the user to enter the gallons of gas used. So we're going to say cout again. Cout, please enter the gallon. Okay, is that gallon used? How many gallon where did you use this month? So I'm gonna end that line right now, and I'm going to store it somewhere called in the variable called gallon used. And then we're going to what did we told? We're told that this is the formula we're supposed to use. Miles mpg is equal to miles driven. Okay, so let's just say mpg. Let's just don't put result. Let's just make it a bit nicely, and then let's say mpg. Right, mpg, miles per gallon. Right, so we're told that mpg, now we are assigning the value mpg. Shouldn't we just assign it right here? Okay, yeah, let's just assign it right here. So mpg is equal to miles driven, which is our variable, mile driven, divide by what? Gallon used. Used. That is the variable. And so this mpg, miles per gallon, is going to contain this one. After the computer divide, the program divide this one, this is what it do. It will divide these two and assign the result into this variable, the mpg variable. So we're going to print it out on the screen. See out. Oh dear, let's just make it a bit nicely. Oh dear, you just, how do you spell that again? You just did the best calculation ever. Does that make sense? Even if, anyway, that's just something kind of dumb, but fine. All right, let's just print it out, and then the mpg, and then let's end line. Right, we'll end that line, and then, oh dear, you just did the best calculation ever. Let's just put some space here. Okay, you can also put, it's possible to take this thing and put it on the underneath. It's still okay. You can just say see out again, but I like putting it on the I mean, yeah, on the same line. So let's just run that. Should I return it by 0 because our program will run successfully, obviously, but we don't know. Let's make computer understand, and then we have done writing our program. Let's allow computer to do its own thing. So let computer compile it, and then let's save it as I like saving it the title of our program, and then mpg miles per gallon. Okay, I don't like spelling. I don't know. I'm flopping with writing things, but I'm just gonna do that. There's something I made a mistake somewhere, but this computer did not recognize that mistake. Why is it writing this? Okay, let's just see what the mistake that I wrote. I wrote this. I didn't terminate, but still it still print it out. I must terminate end line, and then let's run it. Oh, now, okay, I think that I'm gonna fix this error right now because I really don't know why it's not displaying the thing we wanted it to display. So I'm just gonna close this thing off. I'm just gonna close this thing and then open. Maybe I should just open it, and then of course, whenever you write, you have the source file, and then you also have the extension file, executable file. It's nice. So let's just click on it. Whoa, oh lot mama, this is just so nice. Whew. Okay, so let me just open that again. I really don't know what happened just now because this computer just messed up. I think it's because I've been using to, let me just see okay, let me just run it. Program exit. Can this be true? Where is my wrongdoing? Lucky. Let's just okay, I don't know. Let me just put it back here, and then let's see what we got. Miles driven int main. Okay, let's just say string hashtag include string. Okay, and then let's just okay, I don't know, but okay, just give me a minute, and then let me just do this just so fast. I really don't know what computer is just doing right now because I think I designed this in really cool, and then now, okay, you know what guys, thank you for watching my tutorial. I'm gonna sort this thing out, and I'm gonna give you the reason why we encounter this thing. But I think in the next tutorial I'm going to sort it out and then tell you what actually happened, what actually transpired with this error, because right now we told the computer to display this and then the computer is doing something else. I think this mistake is from the computer, not mine, because we have really did this thing so nice and cool. So but you can try it on your own side. If it shows that same error, please leave the comment below, and if it doesn't, please leave the comment below, because I really just want to fix my computer right now. It's just doing something that I don't really like right now. Alright, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Thank you, I love you, and please subscribe to my channel. And then in the next video we're gonna sort this thing out, and we're gonna see what we are going to do with the upcoming tutorial. It's going to be cool, right? It's going to be cool. I love it. I think this will be dealing with modules, right, or functions, right? I'm gonna deal with that. But thank you so much for watching. I love you. Subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.